Welcome for a quick demo on document processing of Form 940 using UiPath, developed by Symprio. Form 940 is used to report your annual federal unemployment tax and is filed by your employer. The process starts with loading the right documents in the folder. Here, as you can see, this is the input location for Form 940. And these are the actual forms. Sometimes filled, and some other times handwritten, as the case may be. We plan to save the output here, in the folder which is named as Exports. Now that the input files are ready, let us proceed to run the automation using UiPath, which is developed by Symprio. Next step, document classification. Here is where the robot checks if our input files are indeed Form 940. Here, the confidence is at 100%. So the robot shall proceed now. In the background, the robot has extracted the required fields and has taken us to the validation station. This is an interactive session with the user where we can see the values that the robot has extracted. Here, bot allows user to confirm or to make changes if needed. Some of the key fields that we see here also has confidence levels attached to them. The robot has extracted fields that include employer identification number, name, address, and all the payment-related fields. You have the flexibility to tailor the necessary fields according to each specific scenario, either including or excluding them as needed. Here, we see that it has processed all the required fields, including the signer's details, such as name and title. Click Submit, Continue, and Save to proceed. The robot has processed the form and saved the output in the Exports folder. Next, it moves on to the next input file, which is actually a handwritten document, Form 940. Form classification is confirmed again before extraction. We move on to the extraction phase. Sometimes, if the robot not able to exactly identify the values, it also gives us suggestions. As you see here for the EIN, it allows the users to pick the right value and proceed. Similarly, check and validate other columns here, such as name and address. We also see that the robot has extracted most of the values with great confidence level, above 80%, and some fields even at 100%. Once we click Submit, we are directed to the Exports folder to view the output. We see the output Excel file here, with all the values are being extracted. The format of the output can be customized, such as Excel, PDF, JSON, or the robot can even input these values in any of your in-house or off-the-shelf ERP softwares. Thanks for watching. For any queries, feel free to reach out to us on contact@symprio.com.